What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend BTC, sitting at 52.3K. We're up 1.1 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 1,028 billion. 24-hour volume, 18.79 billion. So let's hop into the charts. As we can see, we did start to pull back. We could potentially be going through an ABC correction. We are currently in a Bitcoin trade. We absolutely smoked the Forex and the crypto market last week. Here's the results. You can pause the screen if you want to. Signals are $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. So we could create a higher high. Anything is possible, but I do think there's a decent chance we just have 3 waves up of an ABC correction in between 47.5 and 50K before bouncing up in a higher high. And basically completing this 5-wave move from the low. There is another possibility. I know this chart's a little bit messy. If we were to break the 50% at 47.5K, then I would assume that the impulse is over. Here's from the bottom, 1, 2, pushing up in a 3, 5-wave move. I would assume this wave 3 is already finished. Instead of putting in one more higher high, if we were to break 47.5K, the max retracement at the 50%, then we could see a deeper pullback in between 37.8 and 44.7, only if that level breaks 47.5. If it doesn't break, then we're good to go, and we're going to push up in one more higher high. So the DXY, I am expecting the DXY to break out to the upside. Nice little 1-2-1-2 setup of the larger wave 3 to the upside. So I think there's a good chance DXY breaks out, which should lead to that wave C. Of course, anything can happen. If the DXY were to break down, then Bitcoin could just continue up from here. But it would make sense, looking at some of the alts as well, that we would go through that wave C before bouncing back to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm focused on. Unless 47.5 breaks, and then we could see a deeper pullback to this target range. But until then, this is what I'm expecting. If we put in a higher high, it is what it is. We will eventually pull back. But you can see we're losing strength on the 4-hour RSI. Let's take a look at the money flow, see how we're doing. Yeah, money's flowing out as well. So it would make sense to see some pullback. All right, guys, we are killing it in the Discord. First, make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. My subscribers only receive a 10% commission on their trading fees. Basically means you get 10% back in commission on your trading fees. No KYC, no VPN all around the world. Grab those bonuses, including for my US and Canadian traders. No KYC, no VPN. Make sure to sign up. And my VIP rooms are $10 a month. As you can see, we absolutely crushed it last week. You get my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. We're in multiple trades right now. Crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, and Forex day trade signals. So I've just given some signals this morning, basically giving signals every single day for Forex, for crypto analysis, and trade signals, all for $10 a month. We have over 2,600 members in the Discord. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.